On Tuesday, the city of Yanbu, located in the southwestern region of Saudi Arabia, was painted in white as a result of a hailstorm that also brought heavy rain and thunderstorms. Videos shared on social media platforms depicted dense, dark clouds obscuring the sky and chunks of hail covering the ground.
خير يا صاحب السيارة هذه، الله يعوض خير إن شاء الله. هذه من آثار البردية الآن على مصنع الجبس بين ينبع وأملج.
According to the meteorologists from the local weather network, the hailstorm hit the southern part of Saudi Arabia in the morning. He explained that the precipitation that was falling was hail, not snow, and that the temperature in Yanbu al-Bar was roughly 26 degrees Celsius when the storm struck. Up to tomorrow, Jordan and northern Saudi Arabia should anticipate a continuation of the heavy rain and thunderstorms.
سيول والخير لا زال ابشركم.
There is going to be a lot of rain in the western part of Tabuk province. A strong cold front pounded the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on Tuesday, and violent thunderstorms have been reported in many spots around the country as a result of this weather event. The thunderstorms began at noon local time. The cold air front was increasingly crossing Arabia's airspace, resulting in a cold and cloudy atmosphere in the northern part of the kingdom, and it rained at intervals in several areas along the northern border with Arar and south of Al-Jawf.
الله سلمنا منها سبحانه. شوف سلم القزاز هذه كبر الباب.
This resulted in the formation of torrents, the movement of valleys and reefs, and an increase in water level.
العالم الذري هنا.